Hello and welcome to another update video. More scammers around. This is really just an update video again to make you aware, guys, that this channel is getting popular. So there are more scammers around. So there are two types of scammers coming all the time under basically every crypto video that I'm publishing. Not only I am, but that other crypto guys and people, and even people in the finance sort of niche on YouTube are publishing. So the first one are these bots here, which basically come up all the time. YouTube isn't really doing anything about them. All you can do is report them, delete them, hide them from your channel. And it's really, honestly, I hope none of you guys is falling for this crap, because this is just, if you read through it, some of it just doesn't make sense. Then you've got, this is really just like rubbish. And then you've got all these people commenting with these apparently normal names, but if you really think about it, it's just rubbish. These photos always look fake and strange symbols, because people normally ban words like Telegram and Instagram on their channels. So what they do, they basically use these various symbols here to be able to post their crap. So yeah, by all means, never fall for this. Never send your message to anyone. Never reply to any of that. So all I do is regularly report it, hide them from my channel. That's all I can do, and they come up all the time. So please never reply to any of that, or please never just click on one of their names or anything, because that might lead you to one of their channels. I don't know, but they're normally just bots, and they want you to get onto Telegram or anything. So I always report them. I think you can report them as well. So that's one thing. The other thing that's coming up, there have been now a few fake More Crypto Online names down here. So this is not myself posting this. If you see something like that, I would never ask you to WhatsApp me. If you see something like that, even though it looks like my name, on YouTube, there's nothing stopping someone creating a YouTube channel or a name that already exists, right? So I could create probably a second more crypto online channel. There's nothing stopping me. So again, all I can do is report this channel, because this is just rubbish. What shocks me, this guy already has a subscriber. So I don't know what I can do. Obviously, you can see he stole my logo, and all I can do is report the user, basically report profile picture, but it's just report user really, I guess. And that's what you can do as well. None of these, hate speech, impersonation. And then no, it's probably no, none of these are my issue. Anyway, they will probably anyway, I had to report a few already. So report profile picture, maybe that's the way. Abuse of the submit. So he will be removed anyway. There was another one already, but please never reply to any of that. If I reply to you, you will see that, because then you see oh, he replied. Isn't so annoying. This guy has been everywhere apparently. Look at that. I mean, please never reply to that. It's just rubbish. I've just reported him. I will also hide him from my channel just now, so he shouldn't appear anymore, but it's just annoying. There you go. All the time the same message. Just crap. And yeah, just wanted to make you aware, guys. Please never reply to any of that. I will never ask you to send me a WhatsApp or anything. I will always read any comment really. So please, if you have a question, just let me know in the comments. That's where you can post it. At some point there might be a Telegram group. And yeah, this is what you can, if I reply to you, you can see my name here with this basically gray surrounding, whereas this guy hasn't got that. Yeah. So please, by all means, never reply to any of that. Just a word of caution here. These come in all shapes and sizes. There was one guy a few days ago called Pinned by More Crypto Online. So I reported him and got him removed. But yeah, just please be extremely careful, okay? That's really all I wanted to tell you today. This can come up under every video now. So yesterday we talked about these scammers who try to get people's ADA. Now we've got these scammers. It's really annoying, because first of all, YouTube isn't doing enough to stop them. But then I know it's hard. And then on the other hand, these people are just destroying the crypto world really, because it's because the problem is there's so many people who don't know a lot about crypto, so they fall for it. They think, on a platform like YouTube, there won't be any scam or whatever, and then either they send their ADA or they reply to these messages and get stolen more ADA or whatever. So please, never do it. Never do it. Never reply to it or do anything. All right, so hopefully that video was useful. Please support it. Give it a lot of likes and comments, because then it will rank higher. People need to know about these things, and thanks a lot for watching. Bye.